everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Imbewu, the seat from the 19th to the 23rd of April 2021 on Monday. Zola's womb get blessed as part of the ritual. The prayers get Zola emotional, she runs off. Zitwile gets a shocking news on Tuesday. Zitwile is a wreck of emotions after finding out about Nokzola's abortion. Phakade conducts a lovely service for baby Memezi on Wednesday. Kamadonsela has an ancestral experience in prison. Nokzola turns to a sister for support but receives none on Thursday. Celiwe hears about Mandlovu's history with Walter and she advises Mandlovu to pursue the relationship on Friday. Kamadonsela is accused by Harriet of faking her condition ancestral calling. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.